Hello game viewers once again. In this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing cheap Chinese RGB backlit keyboards. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe this channel and like this video. Starting off the list is this GX60 steampunk style round keycaps. The shiny black GX50 with colorful keys. Then the P800 with awesome looking breathing rainbow lights. The GX60 got retro punk style round keycaps. The keys are membrane and attached to metal panel. The GX50 gives classic keyboard appearance. The build quality looks durable. The B800 gives hybrid feeling of mechanical and membrane keyboard. The retro punk style round keys of the GX60 haven't got any of the keys with backlit ability. However, the keys are laser engraved so that the characters would never fade. The keys of the GX50 are backlit and are also laser engraved. Similarly, the P800 has backlit character keys and the characters won't fade over time. The best thing about all of these keyboards are they are water resistant and 104 removable keys. The GX60 is pretty soft and silent, however the typing experience is mixed feeling of both mechanical and membrane keyboards. The brightness of colorful LED lights can be adjusted on P800. The beautiful looking breathing mode can also be turned on. On the black GX50, the lights can only be turned on or off. The retro punk GX60 has both the brightness adjustment and breathing mode. The only downside of this beautiful looking keyboard that it doesn't have any backlit keys. So whether you are a late night writer or gaming for long durations, I provided you with these affordable super thin waterproof plastic and metal body with colorful LED light function keyboards that doesn't cost you too much. My favorite is P800. It gives you mechanical feel and the build quality is premium in a budget price tag. That's it guys, hope you like and share this video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.